Consider the mature size of your plants when selecting a container. The right soil mix is crucial for the health of your container plants. Choosing the appropriate soil mix can make a significant difference in the growth and vitality of your plants. Unlike garden soil, which can be heavy and compact, container soil needs to be light and well draining. Garden soil often compacts over time, restricting root growth and water drainage, which can lead to poor plant health. A good quality potting mix is the best choice for container gardening. These mixes are specifically formulated to provide the right balance of air, moisture, and nutrients that container plants need. A typical potting mix contains a combination of peat moss, vermiculite, and perlite. Peat moss helps retain moisture, vermiculite improves aeration, and perlite ensures good drainage. Some potting mixes also contain added nutrients and fertilizers to support plant growth. These added elements can give your plants a head start by providing essential nutrients right from the beginning. You can also make your own potting mix by combining equal parts of peat moss, compost, and perlite. This homemade mix can be customized to suit the specific needs of your plants, ensuring they get the best possible growing environment. It is important to avoid using garden soil in containers.